Indian woman eats rice with hands on London tube. Desis have a lot of questions. A viral TikTok video shows a woman of Indian origin eating rice and curry with her hand while speaking on the phone. The clip has sparked strong reactions online, prompting a broader discussion about cultural practices, traditional eating methods, and what constitutes polite behavior in public. The widely shared clip has also made its way across various social media platforms. It features the woman calmly enjoying her meal, a normal and respected tradition in many South Asian cultures, where eating with one's hands is seen as both cultural and personal. However, the video drew criticism from some fellow passengers and online viewers, who called the act unhygienic or inappropriate for a public setting like the tube, where food is generally discouraged due to limited space and concerns about cleanliness. Many viewers also criticized her for speaking loudly on the phone, claiming it disrupted fellow passengers. Others suggested she should have used cutlery instead of eating with her hands, viewing it as more appropriate for a public setting. And so this is London tube. The new trend of eating biryani with bare hands is next sensation. The video, shared on X on May 28, has garnered over 1,200 views so far. The clip received a range of responses online. Some users defended the woman, saying hand eating is a cultural tradition and harmless if not disruptive. Others questioned the morality of filming her without consent on public transport. The incident has sparked wider debate around cultural respect, privacy, and personal freedom in shared spaces. A user criticized the woman, saying, "As an Indian, many of us lack civic sense, same with other South Asians. You were right to call her out. If anyone's offended, too bad." In contrast, others defended her. An individual wrote, "She's not bothering anyone. Maybe she was just really hungry. People eat burgers with their hands all the time. Is this different?" Another added, "Brits eat chips and sandwiches on trains without issue. But the moment an Indian woman eats rice with her hand, it's a problem." Meanwhile, the tube at night can look like a drug. Denied people are more upset about someone quietly eating. Swipe left for next video. It's foolish to eat on trains like the it's just not appropriate. It might not be illegal or wrong, but it's definitely poor etiquette. Public transport requires a basic level of decency and consideration for others. A user shared a different view. According to the authorities, eating and drinking are allowed on the London Underground. Latest blogs.